The power of passive income. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to earn money even while they sleep, while others spend their entire lives chasing paychecks that vanish as quickly as they arrive? What if I told you there is a hidden secret, a shift in mindset, that could change the way you see money forever? This is the story of Daniel, a man who discovered the power of passive income in the most unexpected way. Daniel was like most people. He worked long hours at a corporate job he didn't truly love. Every morning, he rushed through traffic, carrying a heavy heart and an even heavier coffee cup. His salary was decent, but it always felt like running on a treadmill. No matter how hard he worked, he stayed in the same place. At the end of each month, the bills came in. Rent, utilities, car payments, groceries, and somehow, his bank account always ended up nearly empty. He dreamed of traveling, of spending more time with his family, of living without stress. But the reality was harsh. If Daniel stopped working even for a week, the money stopped flowing too. One night, while staring at his computer, exhausted from another 12-hour day, Daniel whispered to himself, "Am I working for money, or is money ever going to work for me?" That question would change his life. A few weeks later, Daniel sat at a quiet park bench during his lunch break. That day, he met an older man named Mr. Harris. They began talking, and soon the conversation shifted toward money. Daniel complained about his endless hours, his lack of freedom, and his fear that he would never escape the rat race. Mr. Harris listened patiently, then smiled. "Daniel," he said softly, "do you know the difference between the rich and everyone else? The poor work for money, the middle class trade time for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. They understand the secret of passive income." Daniel raised his eyebrows. "Passive income, I've heard the term, but it sounds too good to be true." Mr. Harris chuckled. "It's not magic, son, it's a mindset. It's about building streams of income that continue to flow, whether you work today, tomorrow, or not at all. It's about planting seeds that keep bearing fruit, long after you've planted them." Then he leaned closer and whispered words Daniel would never forget. "If your money only comes when you show up, then you're trapped, but when your money flows even while you sleep, then you are truly free." Daniel felt a spark inside him. For the first time, he saw a glimpse of hope. That evening, Daniel couldn't stop thinking about what Mr. Harris had said. He started researching. He read books, watched videos, and listened to podcasts about investments, real estate, digital assets, and business systems. He learned that passive income doesn't mean easy money, it means smart money. It means building something once that keeps paying you again and again. Like writing a book that sells for years. Like creating an online course that students buy while you sleep. Like owning a rental property that generates rent every month. Like investing in stocks that pay dividends quarter after quarter. The thought lit a fire in him. But still, fear held him back. What if I fail? What if I lose money? What if I'm not smart enough? But then he remembered the words of Mr. Harris, "The only true failure is staying trapped." So Daniel made a decision. He would plant his first seed. Small, but meaningful. Daniel decided to start small. He took a portion of his savings and bought his first dividend-paying stock. The first days were nerve-wracking. Every morning, he checked the stock's performance obsessively. He worried he had made a mistake. Then something incredible happened. A small deposit appeared in his account, marked dividend payment. It was tiny, barely enough for a coffee, but it was his first income without work. Daniel felt a rush of excitement. He realized, this is not just money, this is freedom beginning to take shape. Over the next few months, Daniel learned some hard lessons. Not every investment grew immediately. Some failed, some barely returned anything, and he felt frustration creeping in. He almost gave up, thinking it was too complicated, too risky. But each failure was a lesson. Each mistake taught him discipline, research, and resilience. He discovered that true passive income is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The wealthy don't get lucky, they plan, they study, they persevere. Daniel began to diversify. He invested in a small rental property, started writing an online course, and even experimented with digital products. Slowly, he began to see multiple streams of income, tiny at first, but steadily growing. One Saturday morning, Daniel woke up and realized he hadn't checked his accounts for days. Out of curiosity, he logged in, and was stunned. His dividend stock, rental income, and online course payments had all come in. He smiled and whispered to himself, "I earned money while I slept, and I didn't even lift a finger." For the first time in years, Daniel felt true freedom. He could take a weekend off, enjoy time with his family, and pursue passions without worrying about bills. That small spark from Mr. Harris's advice had grown into a light that lit his entire path. Daniel realized that passive income isn't just about money, it's about options. The more streams you create, the more secure your life becomes. He reinvested his earnings, learned about tax advantages, and automated as much as possible. He built a system where money flowed even while he traveled, while he relaxed, while he focused on his health and relationships. Slowly, he transformed his life from a paycheck-to-paycheck struggle into a lifestyle of choice. He often reflected on that first meeting with Mr. Harris: the wealthy don't work for money, they make money work for them. And Daniel had joined their ranks, not overnight, but step by step, seed by seed. Soon, Daniel realized that his journey wasn't just about him. He wanted to inspire others trapped in the endless chase. He started a blog, shared his experiences, and mentored friends. He taught them. Start small, start today. Diversify your streams of income. Learn from failures, don't fear them. Automate and reinvest. Daniel saw his friends' eyes light up as they understood the same truth he had learned: freedom is not about how much you earn, it's about creating systems that earn for you. Years passed, and Daniel's life transformed completely. No longer did he dread Mondays, traffic jams, or endless overtime. His mornings were calm, his days purposeful, and his nights peaceful. He had built multiple streams of passive income, dividends, rental properties, digital products, and investments that kept growing. Money no longer dictated his time, his mood, or his choices. One day, as he watched his children play in the backyard, Daniel felt a deep sense of gratitude. He whispered to himself, This is freedom, not just for me, but for my family, not just money, but choice, security, and peace." He realized that passive income isn't about luxury, it's about control. Control over your time, your energy, and your life. Daniel often thought back to the park, to Mr. Harris, to the moment when he first learned about the magic of passive income. He understood now that the secret wasn't the stock, the property, or the course, it was the mindset. The real power lies in understanding that money can work for you, not the other way around. Every decision he made, every small step, had compounded over time. The seeds he planted grew into a forest of opportunity, and he knew this: anyone can start, at any age, with any amount of money, as long as they take the first step. Daniel began mentoring others, hosting workshops, and sharing his journey online. His story inspired countless people to take action, to start planting seeds of passive income, and to reclaim their time and freedom. People would tell him, "I never knew I could feel this free," and Daniel would smile, knowing that the ripple effect of one decision, his decision to act, had changed so many lives. He understood that the true wealth wasn't only in money, it was in knowledge, mindset, and impact. Today, Daniel's life is a testament to one simple truth: you don't have to work for money forever, you can make money work for you. Every morning, he wakes up excited, not because of his income, but because of his freedom. He chooses how to spend his time, who to spend it with, and what legacy to leave. And now he asks you, the listener, what seeds are you planting today? Will you wait for life to pass you by, or will you take control and let your money work for you? If Daniel's story taught us anything, it's this: passive income is possible, but only if you start, learn, and stay consistent. The path isn't always easy, but every small step compounds into life-changing results. If you feel inspired today, take action. Start small. Educate yourself. Plant the seeds. Your future self will thank you. And if you want more stories that empower your mind, boost your finances, and inspire action, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Remember, freedom is not about luck. It's about mindset, courage, and action.